Hello, everybody.
Playing with Power here.
I'm Jerry.
I'm Cameron.
This is Bird Assassin.
Yeah, I think if you guys have been over to my channel, I believe I played this once or twice.
Or you think you have.
Shut you did. Morning, Paul. How you doing? Eh?
The storyline to this game is stupid.
Hell is that? Eh? Look out, Pa. He's got a gun. Eh? Oh, Paul. Paul, why? Why were you killed? Paul, is that you?
Shut up, boy. Who else would it be? Avenge my death. Take my gun and kill them damn birds.
All right, Paul. I'll do it for you. Take that. And that. And some more.
What?
I kind of want to complete this game because it gets really ridiculous.
It's just a one-off.
So I'm gonna spoil it.
Why don't you wait to spoil it till we actually see some of the gameplay?
Fine. It's the power-ups that make this game ridiculous, which I don't know how many I'm going to get. I don't know how long this is going to be. So what do you think so far?
I don't know. What?
Was a suicide bomber chicken? You act like you've never seen
Is that
one.
a chainsaw?
No. This is a minigun. This is one of the mini games.
You failed.
What?
I have to say, not as good as Blender Bros. Just saying.
Oh, where you done been all day?
Let's get some guns.
Alright, so that's pretty much the gist of the game, but I'm going to keep playing. Can I get the rate of fire?
So this is basically a freemium type game,
What do you mean?
except you don't have to pay the money.
Yeah,
And you paid money to buy the game, I'm assuming, right?
yeah, dollar.
Huh?
Yeah, $1.
I know. I just mean like the setup of it. Like where you get power-ups after every level. You play basically
Well,
the same level every time.
This is, I believe this was like on Addicting Games at one point, so it's one of those two kinds of games.
Yeah.
It's a flash game. Which we gotta do Flash Game Fridays.
Eventually.
We're having chicken tonight.
Once you get your computer, we can start doing stuff like that.
All right.
Because we'll both be able to record one, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I'll do 1 week, you do the next week type stuff with it.
All right. Your mother was a cock.
Probably. They are chickens.
Well, that would be her.
Huh?
A cock is a rooster, right? Yeah.
It
Rooster
can be
and
both.
hen. I actually had to explain that to Uncle John
What?
and Nana. That they were calling like chickens, like hens, chickens, and I had to explain to them that a rooster was a male chicken, and they weren't having it. I don't know why. Yeah.
Fail. Do you get money for every time you kill a bird?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I'm gonna question it.
That's kind of immoral.
Huh?
It's kind of immoral.
Wow.
Does this ever get to the point where you start losing health a lot?
Yeah. Why?
Because you have taken like only a couple hits, and that's just from bad jumps. See? Who's driving?
Chickens.
Ah,
See?
now I can.
Oh.
You're terrible at jumping.
Anything with any sort of platforming, I'm bad. I barely made that a lot out alive.
How we gonna eat all them there birds?
Time for a business expense.
Gun Mart. Should I save it for the minigun?
Yes.
See if I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. Maybe if I go for 20 minutes, I'll be able to get it. Oh!
What?
Taking a lot of damage from these exploding chickens.
I find it racist that chickens can't fly.
What?
Huh?
What?
I find it racist that chickens can't fly.
How is that racist?
Because what about all those other birds that can fly? It's not fair to chickens.
Maybe they should stop being chickens and they'll be able to fly.
Like you could stop being a penguin.
Yeah.
You're terrible at jumping.
Yeah. We've already established this. To be honest, this game's not that bad.
Not what?
Not that bad. I'm actually having quite a bit of fun.
I can imagine. It looks like it'd be fun. I don't want to try it though.
Huh?
I don't want to try it though.
Why?
Because it's just one of those games that looks like it'd be fun for a little while, then would immediately get boring and never want to play again.
I actually beaten this game. So, guess I know.
What do you have to do? Hit all the cans?
Yeah. That's it.
Did you win?
Yep. Got them all.
How far along are we?
9 minutes.
Really? That's it?
Yeah. Oh.
You know who I bet loves this game?
Huh?
You know who I bet loves this game?
Who?
Just guess.
John Cena?
No.
Who?
Shia LaBeouf. He's a murderer.
The size of that thing.
Oh yeah, boss.
Why'd the floor get red?
It's a tell. Hashtag harder than Dark Souls.
I doubt that. You can pause in this game. So it's not faked hardness like Dark Souls.
The only way to be,
Rolling in
you gotta
that
get
car.
good at Dark Souls, and you just wouldn't be able to.
Because you should be able to pause.
It's an all online all the time game.
You should be able to pause.
It's always
ammo.
online. It's constantly multiplayer. You can't pause a multiplayer game.
Yes, you can. When you pause a multiplayer game, you go ghost and nothing can hurt you or touch you.
Anyway, it's nitpicking to me. I like the game. I don't know what anyone says. Oh! Just shot that owl down. How do you feel?
It was an owl.
Yeah.
I thought it looked like a turkey.
A flying turkey.
You never know.
Me another mommy chicken.
Kill them.
Kill what?
The birds.
Okay.
Kill them all.
They just dropped dynamite on me.
I blame you. So when Shardle come in?
Huh?
When does Shardle come in?
Shardle?
Yeah, remember Shardle? Blender Bros?
Huh?
Blender Bros?
Oh.
This one looks like fun.
Yeah.
Jerk.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Sorry, Paul. I bait.
Yep.
Yeah.
And Dad doing what he loves.
Okay.
We can end it now, I guess.
Nah.
Why?
One more.
What are you playing?
You don't?
No, not really.
Never
I'll-
mind then.
I'll go one more.
How much gold do you have?
Huh?
How much gold?
I have no idea.
How close are you to 20,000?
I'm not sure. I have to beat the level or die to find out how much gold I have.
Oh. So how about we fast forward the rest of this level? If you're close, we'll go to get the minigun. Okay?
Alright.
Because that was the goal. So we're going to fast forward the rest of this day. And if he's close, we'll fast forward till we get the minigun. If he's far away, we'll just come back, or he can die.
Don't cry, Otis.
Yeah, they just kind of threw a bunch of crap at me.
Time for an upgrade.
6,469. We're not even close.
No. Oh well. Well, thank you so much for watching.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
Now what you have to do to save this one?